Well, it looks sketchy as fuck. I feel like a ridiculous fool. What's up? What's up? Let's get out of here. Watson's. Life's best moments start here. That's such a grand sentiment for a store. Hey, I know we're just a store and we just sell you product, but your best moments in your entire life, they started right here. Come get those Q-tips, baby. You ready for your life to start for real this time? You fucking joke. Oh, did I take it too far? Took it too far.
There's the line, and you just crossed it.
Wouldn't be doing my thing if I didn't take it too far, you know? Who knows? Who cares? This is the first, like, really nice day. Sunny, and it just feels nice. And my visor is nice and dirty with fingerprints. You just can't beat it. And it's so, I gotta stop singing the same song all day long. I don't know how to do it. I'm sensing this truck wants to take a look at me, and I want to look at them. Nope, he could not be less interested. I want to see a dog. Is that too much to ask for in life? Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? I'm still singing that song. Why oh why? It's so easy to do like footless stop with this bike. It's just so balanced and small that you can come. I often will stop at stop signs that I can put my foot down. It's just easy. Watch this. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Yeah, whole time. I could have sat there for another minute. Not really. That's a fucking horse, dude. Hey, puppy. That's a beautiful horse you have there. You gotta give me a thumbs up. He loves it. I love that. Oh, this is a good field for disc golf practice. Look big and flat. I don't want to brag, but I might be able to throw further in that field. I don't want to brag. I can chuck a piece of plastic almost 400 feet. One day I'll throw over.
What the fuck, Richard?
See, these little neighborhood streets, oh, they're the most fun. Smooth, it's just perfect pavement. We should drive by my college campus, the old community college. College.
Look at you, man. I see you sitting on the couch enrolling in Everest. Up my pimp game 2,000%.
This scooter is perfect for this. Driving around these kind of in-between streets, zipping through neighborhoods, having fun, looking at dogs. Is there really more you could want in life? Dodging potholes. You guys got a dog in there? You want to have a dog? Call me Bounty the Dog Hunter. I feel like a ridiculous fool. She said, skirt! I'm glad I could find my horn. I'm still getting used to like where the horn and blinkers are. If I have to honk this girl again, it'll ruin me, ruin my day. Not really. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get the biker wave? Are we gonna get the biker wave? Oh, boy, we got it! We got them both. Little do they know, it's not a real motorcycle. Ha!
Prank, baby. Yeah.
You just got honked. I'm on a scooter, idiot. Alright, too much? Yeah, that was too much. Excuse me, ma'am. Doing the best I can here. This road is a little intimidating, and people be crazy. Hey, I like your old jacket, boy. Like to go for a group ride? Ooh, classic. Oh, buddy. Look at that, dude. The guy went out of his way to give me a little scoot scoot. I feel like I belong today. I got beautiful flowing hair. Oh, love it. Dude, bikes are out today. Bikes are out today. Give him a nod. Go wide. Am I lane? Alright, focus, dude. Can't be doing that. We're on our way to where I went to community college. I just want to drive around. I haven't been there in years. See what it's all about. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I'm just cruising. And it's time to enjoy the sun. So 9-hole disc golf course right over that hill. Probably one of the most widely hated courses in the area. We're gonna see some disc golfers for sure. Oh, he's got poop, dude. I have a magic power. I make animals poop. Let the fucking dog poop. Watch this guy get it. Watch this guy get it. Absolute garbage. Just kidding. You look like a new player having a lot of fun, and that's all that counts. Have you fallen, dude? Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Guys taking pictures of me? I'll go say hi. Whoa. This guy taking pictures, man. What's up? What's up? Let's get out of here. People love this thing. Get all kinds of attention. A little photo op. Don't mind if I do. I wonder if I'll show up in St. Charles Community College like webpage. Ah, the memories. I came here for 3 years. Yeah, I know 3 years is a little bit much for community college. I took my time, okay? I was doing math courses. They were hard, but man, these walkways, these weird ass looking buildings, all just like good memories. If you've seen my very first video, you know I probably had a lot of hesitation around cops. Alright, I feel like I'm running from a cop right now. But now I'm not riding dirty. I have full-time plate, full-on registration. I'm good, dude. I'm just out enjoying it. Alright, let's chill for a second, change some batteries. You know, one of the beautiful parts about riding a scooter is they set your expectation. You know what I mean? You get on a scooter, you just smile. It's not a motorcycle, it's not serious. You don't expect it to be crazy fast acceleration. So what happens is you end up with this beautiful enjoyment of just riding. I mean, probably the same thing happens with a motorcycle, but I'm all about just having reasonable expectations and being so happy with what you got. Do the old kickstart. Could do that in my sleep. Beautiful campus. It is a beautiful campus. This community college is much nicer than the university I end up going to. Being at this light reminds me that Missouri is a dead red state. Some states will allow you on a motorcycle or a bike. The wording is very specific. After a reasonable amount of time has passed, you are allowed to turn left on a red light. Only left, only after the very ambiguous amount of time has passed. There's a wire or something underneath that's sending a little electrical signal, probably from those boxes over there. And when a large chunk of metal hovers over them, it disrupts the current enough to send a signal that there's a big vehicle there. But a bike might not be big enough. You know, they're all set up, different sensitivities. You never know how they're going to work. So in short, it shouldn't be a problem, but sometimes it's going to be a problem.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
I don't really know what's down this road, to be honest with you. And to not be honest with you, I'm pretty familiar with this road. On account of being honest, I'm not familiar with it at all. So that's me. You've just learned a lot about me in those 3 seconds. You're welcome. And also, welcome. Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this, who knows what I've decided to name it. I think it's gonna have something to do with plural adventures, and what plural really means, what plural means to me. What it means to me that this channel probably won't be just one thing. I just got into riding motorcycles, i.e. this scooter, so it'll probably be a lot of motovlogs, but not entirely. I have other stuff. I would like to get into kayak fishing. Who would have thought? I have an RC car I want to drive around. I want to strap it to the back of this thing and go find places to tear it up. Parking lots, little jumps, FPV drones. I fly in like FPV simulators, which is kind of just the first step to getting into FPV droning. You want to get used to flying a actual drone in a simulator before you go out and buy a real one. And now I need to buy goggles and a drone. Those things are just really expensive, so I'm just taking my time with that hobby. And I want to ride this thing a couple thousand miles would be cool, because it's so fun. Above me. I have to stop singing that song. I'm gonna lose my gourd. But really, this channel is just kind of it's kind of just another hobby. My way of sharing my hobbies with people. Successful YouTube channels typically focus on one thing, like just vlogging, just RC content. There are whole channels that are just FPV droning, and I just can't. Hey buddy, I can't just do one thing for that long. I get tired of it, you know. And it took me a long time to get comfortable with the fact that, oh, I don't need to just I can't just play disc golf. For one, I would if I could, but my body just can't. It's a strain on your arms and your feet. I mean, you just need breaks sometimes. This is not a lane, you idiot. While it might be a hindrance to have a YouTube channel that's a variety channel, I'm not only focused on making a YouTube channel that makes money. I have a job I really like. Making good YouTube videos is just going to be another hobby for me. It just happens that this hobby encompasses all my other hobbies, and maybe I'll make some money at it one day, but that's not really the focus. I'm not gonna say I don't want to make money or I don't have to make money. Who doesn't want to make more money? But I don't feel like it needs to make money. It would be nice if this hobby can support itself. Making motovlogs was an idea that came after I committed to buying this bike and helmet and gear, so it wasn't the only reason. So with that being said, yada yada yada, this is my YouTube channel. Welcome.